We are discussing about the desert landscape, grade 8 geography, third lesson South Asian region, and under this topic we discuss about the desert landscape. We discuss about the key features of desert landscape. Then now we are going to discussing groundwater aquifer in desert landscape. There is a largely distributed groundwater aquifer in Thar Desert. Therefore, the roots of some plants grow deeper into the soil. So people can get water from deep wells. Next point you write down. People can get water from deep wells. Do you know about the deep wells? Deep wells, people can get water from deep wells for their cultivation. People can get water from deep wells for their cultivations. You write down, people can get water from deep wells for their cultivations. This area with water are called as oases. People have concentrated in oases where water is available. එතකොට පුතේ ඩෙසර්ට් වල ground water aquifer එකක් තියෙනවා කියලා තමයි කතා කරේ අපි. These are sand sheets. In surface area we can see everywhere sand sheets.
ටීචර් ද පැය කීයක් ක්ලාස් එක කරනවද?
12 වෙනකම් කරන්නේ. Sand sheets. There are in some areas we can see groundwater aquifer, groundwater level in some areas. There are groundwater aquifer in some areas. So, root system of plants grow deeper Therefore, the roots of some plants grow deeper into the soil. As well as people can take water from deep wells. එතකොට deep wells වලින් තමයි මේ areas වල මිනිස්සු ජලය ගන්න. People can take water from deep wells. Deep wells. These wells are known as deep wells. You can draw this one. Deep wells. People can take water from deep wells for their cultivation. For their cultivation. People can take water from deep wells for their cultivation. For their cultivation. For their cultivations. People can take water from deep wells for their cultivations. Deep wells. These are called as deep wells. Roots of some plants. Roots of some plants. Here, groundwater. Groundwater. Here sand sheets. People get water from deep wells for their cultivations. They are known as oases. These areas with water, මේ ජලය තියෙන ප්‍රදේශය. This area with water is called as oases. People have concentrated in oases where water is available. This area is called as oases. Oasis. Oasis. Do you know the Sinhala word for oasis? Oasis? Yes. People have concentrated in oases where water is available. Water is available. What are the type of crops? What are the type of crops that can be seen in this type of landscape? What are the type of crops?
Cotton, sugarcane.
Yes. Crops like cotton, sugarcane, millet are grown in these oases. Yes.
Teacher, millet කියන්නේ මොනවද?
Millet කියන්නේ ධාන්‍ය විශේෂයක්. ඒක සිංහලෙන් තියෙන්නේ මිලට්ම කියලා තමයි පුතේ. මිලට්. ඔය මේ තීරිංගු ඉරිංගු වගේ ධාන්‍ය විශේෂයක් මිලට්. මිලට්. කපු මිලට්. Oases, crops like sugarcane, cotton, millet are grown in these oases. Okay, you write down the type of crop also here. Oasis එක වැඩෙන දේවල් අපි එතනම ලියාගමු. පුතේ ඔයාලට එතකොට පාඩම් කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. හරිම ලේසියෙන් මතක තියාගන්න පුළුවන්. You write down here crops, type of crops, type of crops, type of crops, sugarcane, 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 cotton, cotton, sugarcane, cotton, millet, sugarcane, cotton, millet are grown in oases. Oases. Sugarcane, cotton, millet are grown in oases. Areas with water springs are called as oases in desert. Water springs තියෙන මෙන්න මේ වගේ areas තමයි අපි එතකොට oasis කියලා හඳුන්වන්නේ. livestock farming also can be seen in these areas. Livestock farming too is a main economic activity in this region. Camels are used for transport goods. Cotton garments suitable for hot weather are worn here. එතකොට cotton garments මේ ප්‍රදේශවල දකින්න ලැබෙනවා. They use cotton garments to resist this temperature. Temperature එකට ඔරොත්තු දෙන විදියට cotton ඇඳුම් තමයි මේගොල්ලෝ භාවිතා කරන්නේ. Camels are used for transportation as well as they use cotton garments because they are suitable for the weather are worn here. The houses are painted in different colors to suit the environment. Houses are painted in different colors to suit the environment. Due to the irregular human activities, the desert seems to be expanded. Land losses is fertility because of the livestock farming and increase in grazing of grasses. දැන් සත්ත්ව පාලනය වැඩි වෙන්න සතුන් තන උලා කෑම නිසා මේ grazing වැඩි වීම නිසා කාන්තාරය එන්න පුළුල් වෙනවා නේද? Due to the irregular human activities, the desert seems to be expanding. Due to irregular human activities, land losses its fertility as well as due to these irregular human activities, land losses its fertility because of livestock farming and increasing grazing of grass. Grazing. Do you know the meaning grazing? Grazing? Ulakam, grazing in grasses. Okay, you can draw this one. You draw this one.
ටීචර් පික්චර් එක ඩ්‍රෝ කරගන්න ඕනේද?
Yes, you draw this one. Camels are used for transportation. Camels are used for goods transportation. You draw this picture. Firstly, you draw this one. Have you finished? You draw this one. Have you finished? Okay, then you write down. Then you write down. Put his stomach and write down. Human activities of desert landscape. Human activities. Human activities of the desert landscape. Human activities of desert landscape. First one you write down. First one you write down. Agricultural activities. Agricultural activities. What are the type of crops? You write down example. Example. Agricultural activities. Type of crops. Type of crops. Sugarcane. Sugarcane. Cotton. Sugarcane, cotton, millet. Sugarcane, cotton, millet. Are grown in are grown in the oasis. Oasis. Are grown in the oasis. Number 2, you write down. Livestock farming. Livestock farming. Livestock farming. Livestock farming. Livestock farming also belong to agricultural sector in the economy. But here we wrote as 2 point. Agricultural activities here, crop cultivation. You write down the bracket, crop cultivation. Livestock farming also belong to agricultural sector in the economy. So that's why I wrote here crop cultivation. Type of crop, sugarcane, cotton, millet, millet. And then second point, livestock farming. Livestock farming also can also a main economic activity in this region. Livestock farming. Then subtopic you write down transportation of the desert landscape. Transportation of the desert landscape. Camels are used to transport goods. Camels are used to transport goods. Camels are used to transport Camels are used to transport goods. Next point, they use cotton garments due to high temperature. To resist high temperature, you write down next point. They use cotton garments they use cotton garments they use cotton garments they use cotton garments due to hot weather. Next point, their houses different color. The houses are painted in different color to suit the environment. The houses are painted in different colors to suit the environment. Okay, then you write down a question. You write down this question. Mention to, you write down, mention to bad effect or unfavorable effect due to unfavorable effects due to irregular human activity. Irregular human activities in the desert landscape. Mention to unfavorable effects due to irregular human activities in the desert landscape. Can you write the answer for this question? What are the two bad effects due to irregular human activities? Can you write the answer?
Desert seems to be expanding.
Yes.
Livestock farming.
Yes. Now, what are the unfavorable effects? What are the two unfavorable effects? Unfavorable effects.
Desert seems to be expanding.
Yes, desert seems to be expanded. One is desert seems to be expanded.
Land losses its
And
fertility.
Land losses its fertility. Land losses its fertility. Okay, you can write down answer. What is the reasons to? What is the reason to land loss its fertility? What is the reason? What is the reason? What is the main
livestock.
reason? Yes, livestock farming and increasing ingrassing of grass. That is the main reason to lose is fertility. Okay, children. Then you have to write answer for activity 3.7. Read the question, activity 3.7. What is the question? State 4 salient features of the desert landscape. I think you can write down answer for this question. Can you write? Huh? Okay, then you do that assignment also in page number 46 and 47. Okay, you write down answers for these questions.